Hi guys, welcome back to the Bye Bye Pro Tips by Tejas. In the today's video, let us see how to make the best use of the multi-row card visual in a Power BI report. So let us go ahead and see the dataset. So I'm once again using the financial dataset where I have basically have various segment information, various country information, various product information, discount band information, units sold, manufacturing price, gross sales, discounts, profits, and so on. So now let us go ahead and make the best use of multi-row card visual with the dynamic features as much as possible so that we can effectively use in most of the Power BI reports. Let us go ahead and take it in over here. So this is a multi-row card visual. Let me go ahead and take the segment information from the financial dataset. Now let me go ahead and take the total discounts from here. So the total discounts is nothing but the sum of discounts from a financial dataset. So let me go ahead and pull that. Now let us go ahead and create a dynamic measure that will make the visual more effective. Right click, new measure. Let us name our measure as dynamic highlighter. Dynamic highlighter. Since we basically have the total sales already built, we shall now select something which is more dynamic. We also have total discounts in here. Let us build a dynamic measure which is based on total discounts. That is, if we are using a logical test, if total discounts, if the total discounts is greater or equal to 2,50,000, then we need to get green. If that's not the case, if the discount is less than 2,50,000, we need to get red. Now let us go ahead and close the measure. Okay, let us go ahead and pull that. So now if you have a closer look, we basically have various discount information for various segments in our data set, and along with that we have red and green, the highlighted value of the measure that we have given over here. We have red for channel partners, we have green for enterprise, we have green for a government value, we have red for mid market, and along with that we also have discount information. And we clearly find that wherever the discount information is less than 2,50,000, it is red. If it is more than 2,50,000 or equal to 2,50,000, we have green values. So our motive is simple. We do not want any text values over here. Rather, we are interested in red and green buttons or red and green icons. So we don't want any textual information. In order to do that, we basically have two approaches. One is to use a uniqueIR function by uniqueIR table and selecting the encoded value. And the other one is quite simple when compared. That is, we need to select a window and periodic function and take the emojis from that. So let us go ahead and use that. Let us click on the window button on my keyboard, and then let us use the period button on my keyboard. So select window and then a period. By doing so, I get this table where I could select various emojis. So instead of green, I would like to use this particular icon. So let me go ahead and remove that. Let us go here. Let me select window function and then period function. So instead of green, I would use this icon, and instead of red, window key and a period key. Okay. So instead of red, I would use this icon. That's it. Our job is done. Okay, now thereby our main job is done. Our next motive is to make this visual as highlighted as possible. So let us go ahead and remove this dynamic highlighted, as we are very much aware that this measure name is not required here. So let us go to format and let us disable the category labels. Our second step is to change the background color and make it as dark as possible. Okay. And our third step is to change the callout values, that is the textual information and numerical values over here. Let us make it white. And our step 4 is to change the font family to Arial. Alright. Let us increase the font size a bit to 13, 14. Yeah, 14 is quite good. Some text tab. Let us make it bold instead. Now let us go ahead and increase the size of this border towards the left side. Let me go to general. Let me go to effects. Now let us go to visual border is not required. Let us go to visual and find out the border. Under cards, yeah, this is where we do that. So under style, select left, and under outline color, let me go ahead and select yellow, and let us increase the outline weight to the max 10. Yeah, so let us also select accent bar. We have a small bar over here that's called as an accent bar. Let us go ahead and change the color of an accent bar to white, and let us increase the width as well and make it more highlighted. Let us increase the depth of green of my background. Let us make it even more darker. That's what I feel. Yeah, there you go. This actually looks much more better. Let us go ahead and enable the shadow. Shadow is off. Let us go shadow on. And shadow color, let us once again take it as green. Okay. That's it, guys. So this is how you make the best use of multi-row card visual. So that's it for today, guys. Let us see in the next video with much more valuable piece of information. Till then, happy analyzing and take care, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out in our future videos. Till then, take care.